Good morning, this is Eddie, Multi-Man Services, November 19th. We just got done doing some gutter cleaning here, Lake Geneva, Wisconsin. If you're a homeowner that is in need of getting the debris taken out of your gutters, off your roof, over top your gutter screens, we have all the equipment to take care of that and get it all washed up real nicely. We also offer services to help remove the algae and the moss that's growing on this roof here. A lot of shade, and pretty soon it's not going to be walkable or serviceable on that roof. It's going to be too mossy. So it's a good idea that we do a full roof cleaning treatment, and a Roof Max conditioning treatment is suggested. Will help rehydrate the shingles, allow them to be able to expand and contract, be able to flex with the cold and warm climates we have. And these downspouts, as you can see, go underground. So we're about to face winter here, so when the roof decides to thaw and all that water goes underground, sometimes what can happen is you can get ice backage backed up right in here, and then it'll actually crack your downspout because the water has nowhere to go. It's expanding in there as it freezes. So we suggest, if you have underground drains, for the month of the freezing months, is to remove your underground drains and send a black corrugated drain tile without the slits, and get that draining away from the house. That way the sun can melt any of the ice that's in the drain tile and keep your water flowing. Good idea to get some type of a gutter downspout screen protector. We suggest the gutter stick. It helps keep the stuff out of the downspout and your underground drains. That can get kind of expensive over time. So Multi-Man Services, servicing the Elkhorn, Lake Geneva, Williams Bay, Fontana areas. Any questions you have, feel free to give us a call or get on our website for an instant quote. Thank you.